How to forfeit a bonus on Bovada. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, you want to go ahead and simply open up the Bovada application or website, and then you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon right over here. Once you have tapped onto it, you'll then be able to find an option that says a reward. You want to go ahead and simply tap on the reward section and then find the bonus you would like to forfeit. For example, here we have welcome bonuses. Scroll down to the bottom of the bonus page and then look for the forfeit bonus option. You want to go ahead and tap on the blue link next to it. And then from here, a confirmation screen will appear with a red button to confirm you would like to forfeit the selected bonus. You want to go ahead and simply tap on forfeit and then forfeit a bonus now. And that's it, guys. Your bonus will get forfeited successfully. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.